everyone, Urmila here. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed tofu with a peanut sauce. So what you'll need is fresh tofu, and I'm going to show you how to do this two ways. One way is to actually deep fry the entire tofu just like that. The other way is to cut the tofu into four this way diagonally so that you have 4 pieces like that, and you fry each piece on its own. And then I will show you how to stuff it with some grated cucumber and how to make a sauce as well. So for the sauce, you will need the following ingredients. You need some crunchy peanut butter, some caramel sauce, any brand of tomato sauce. I just have Maggi at home, so that's what we're using, and some chili sauce, again whichever brand that you prefer. And you also need 1 clove of garlic. So I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. So heat some oil in a pot, and then with tongs put your tofu carefully into the hot oil. Just be careful that it doesn't splash. Just make sure your tofu is a bit dry so that the water doesn't cause any splashing. So leave the tofu to keep frying in the oil until the bottom starts getting a bit crispy and a light brown color, and then you turn it over and let it do the same for the top of the tofu as well. So I've already turned the tofu over and it's cooked on both sides. So now you're going to remove it from the oil and drain it on a piece of paper towel. Now you do the same thing for the pieces of tofu that we cut. Okay, so for the peanut sauce that I'm going to show you how to make, you need to put the clove of garlic into the blender. Put your tomato sauce. I just eyeball it and put however much I like. And because my family prefers slightly spicy food, so I tend to put a bit more chili sauce than tomato, but you can balance it to suit your taste. So put in the chili sauce as well. A bit of the caramel sauce. Caramel sauce again is just for color, so it depends on how dark you want it to be. That's how much you put in. And then put in maybe that amount, about a tablespoon, heaped tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter as well. And pour a bit of water, and then just blend it. Okay, so now that it's blended, you can see it's got quite a nice thick consistency. You can taste it at this point and see if you prefer to have more chili sauce or more tomato sauce, and then you can balance it accordingly. So now I'm going to show you how to stuff this piece of tofu. So the ones that we fried in quarters, you just get the wider side and slit it with a knife. You can, if you want, remove some of the inside of this tofu, but I prefer not to waste, so I'll just leave it like that and then stuff as much cucumber as I can into that, or you can just leave some sticking out as well. That's not a problem. So that's one way of preparing this dish. The easier way would be to just, like how I said, you fry the whole tofu like that, and then just cut it into pieces, or cut it this way and cut it into cubes. Still a bit hot. Cut it into cubes, and then put all the cubes on a plate. And you can cut your cucumber like that into quarters as well, and just put it over the top. And then pour some of your sauce. On top. And that's your easy peanut sauce with tofu and cucumber, or stuffed tofu. Enjoy, happy cooking!